In this video, you'll learn how to use the booster to get MagicSea. The booster is a staking pool with a burning mechanism to essentially turn your LUM into MagicSea, which is the governance token of MagicSea that lets you earn protocol fees, gives you voting rights and more. Check out the video in the top right to learn more about MagicSea and the booster. Launch the app and connect your wallet. Navigate to Magic. On the right you can see the burn booster bounty, which we'll explain in another video. Below you can see the actual booster. In the top right you can see the MPR, which is the monthly percentage rate, or in other words, what you can approximately earn in a month with putting your LUM in the booster. On the bottom you have an explanation on how the return of investment for refining 1,000 USD worth of LUM would be calculated. It takes current prices of LUM and MagicSea, and also the amount of staked tokens in the booster into account. The time frame for this scenario is 30 days, where in worst case, 100% of your staked LUM will be burned. So 1,000 USD worth of LUM will be burned, but your earnings in MagicSea are $1,091.08. So your return of investment would be $91.08. Now to boost your LUM to MagicSea, click on Boost, and then you can decide how much you want to boost. I want to allocate all my LUM, so I click on Max and confirm the transaction. I can now see how much LUM I staked and my percentage of the whole booster staking pool. On the left, I can see how much MagicSea I already earned, and I can harvest them at any time. I can also just withdraw my staked LUM, but be aware that it comes with a penalty if you do it within the first 3 days after staking. This is a safety mechanism to protect the protocol and ultimately the users. This was how to boost your LUM to MagicSea. Follow us on Twitter, check out our DEX under MagicSea.finance, and if you want to learn more, watch our other videos. See you soon.